Halor ka Thong ban Wanrah Iaka Shongsuk Shongsuk hapadeng ki jat benriu karbi bat jat benriu penar hakalai phau terek unailar 8,000 arphulai pajantia students movement JSM bat ka karbi students association KSA kila penlong ka jinga kenduk lang ha Assam dikhu nakaliang ka JSM dalam khmat u president rangba ka JSM central body ba leaning star rambai bat nak ka KSA dalam khmat u president jongka mijreng kro rangkat ka jingdan lang kiriu pa khmat ki karbi hakani ka jinga lang lasna ya ka committee bala ai kerteng committee for peace kabadai na ka banta banekran betik halor kumno ban Wanrah ya ka Shongsuk Shongsuk hapadeng ki arjai benriu kenang bakayat ka yeng karep karyang bat ka khai pateng kan long biang kum ki por ba menshwa namar ba ka jinga pen ibor mar keliang kan Wanrah ya ka suk kesan
Kalau kamu ada yuk di sosial media udah wah nagaliang ke JSM ni dah lai cem bawa KSA dan negasi ini nagaliang ke JSM dah lai cem bawa KSA ini dibu ke nagaliang ke JSM senyasuk nagaliang ke KSA senyasuk senyap kenal dia di cem wah adil wah dia di cem dah rai dengan join committee the April Student Committee for Peace Initiative. Begini komiti manu kamsi benta wo Wanrah ye Shongsuk Shongsuk. Wo thu ye gila wa la de emi wan jingjia wo sol i lengba gani ko komiti. Te aga jo ka por le de yo yanta ye thirwa samtam hi chakita ki khap ini iliang khanduli warami aura heni gini benai wadade wa nadu akan beli wat seduk dalam pengabdi tester dan negasi desnya suk desnya tenat wa em ngini jingi cem yong i wa nadu mentu cemat nakali yang yong i bero pen arseng pilih sipat ba tam cagi farmar ginong rep wa nadu mestep kesni wa em no i gepis lene ke Shongsuk Shongsuk lagi itu kibarat la tam ulai rep higi ulai lipat higi cakte ki hali hator lane geleng tha ki yong ki dewom em de gawon ki jing pentut te kani don hi to message cha upai ba lane chawnong chongnong yong ki karbi kamjo le wa kitna kana kaliang yong na duni don hi kitte kuble chibur.
We have members and delegates from India students JSM and they are here to resolve the problems that we are facing in the border areas and try to build a peaceful environment. So now I would like to request the President of the JPF students to brief the media.
Today, before more tradition, JSM and KSA, we met and discussing about conflict both communities in border area. So the discussion is very interesting. We have both sides have the same opinion. But at the end, we take a resolution that we have substitute the joint committee plus student committee for this initiative. And this committee will look forward what the issues will do later. Then at the same time we have discussed both committees now will end the blockade because this past 4 months the both committees they locked up for they don't get to go to cultivation and to continue their trade as they do for the past year. So we both organization we have take this issue will end it. So this will be clear after we go to the site inspection. The site inspection will announce later. Today we have cleared this issue. Then after this week will come with the review. They announce the date and the time when we go to the site inspection. That's all.
As Honorable President, Leading Star Rombai have said, firstly, under the initiative of Karbi Student Association and Jaintia Student Movement, JSM from Jaintia Hills, we have decided to have a common joint meeting to be a bearer of peace for both the two tribal loving community, that is Karbi community and Jaintia community. So on the table, we have the same opinion, like Karbi and Jaintia people, they have been living and passing the test of time, both the conflict, the joy and the sorrow they have shared. And as such, we have decided to come with a peace committee, a student committee for peace initiative, which will ensure that peace prevail between the two communities and that life return into normalcy and that people should be able to live their daily life as they should live, be it in economic aspect, socio-cultural aspect. There should be a mutual respect of both between the two communities. These are the decisions taken, and many activities will be taken in the near future. Many more meetings and inter-discussion will be taken in the future for the welfare of both our tribal community.